Beautiful. Feels good to be back in the shop after a long time. I've just realized what is this mark from. And that's from the time when I built a potato launcher from plywood. And when I tested it, I almost got smoked. That was funny. I'm sorry for this mess on my head. That should work. And today we have yet another shop vlog. And I invite you just to spend the day with me. Come on, dude, we're gonna have some good time in the shop. First of all, a few of these. Getting hot already. Oh yeah, check this out, dude. This is my new shop vise that I told you about last time. I've got it sandblasted and powder coated recently. I'm still waiting for the new lips for this guy. I want to finish those surfaces a little better. I've made a new slide thing for it. I also need to make a new handle for it because the last handle, yeah, this is the OG handle, but it's kind of, you know, I think I can do a better one from stainless steel maybe. But that's some other time. And then maybe we can build like a nice stand for it and put it somewhere here, I don't know, or somewhere, but definitely not on this bench because I need all of this surface area to work. And yeah, what I wanted to build today is the storage for the angle grinder discs. I have quite a few of them, you know, the flap discs, this coral thing, and like other regular discs. Plus the fireball tools, I want them to be like somewhere on the wall there along with the discs. So this is my quick sketch. This is like the side view. We're gonna have some discs, some fireball tools, and a little like space for gloves. Should be a pretty simple one. Let's get it. I think we have some spillage in the village. Yeah, annoying noise. Well, so far so good. That was kind of easy. Here on the bottom, I'm gonna have my angle grinder discs, and to hang them, I think I'm gonna make some sort of like hooks from rebar. It's gonna be a little bit nicer than just, you know, screw in like a screw here and it's like hanging on a screw. It works, but it's not exactly what I like. Let's make it from rebar. This is like my favorite brand. They do all sort of like fixing things. It's called Elematic. They make all sort of like anchors, zip ties and stuff like that. If you're like choosing between the brands of fixtures, go for Elematic. Good stuff. Okay, so this is just perfect. It holds all of my quick access welding accessories. I have my angle grinder discs, I have my angles, some other smaller bits. Obviously the wire brush, I use it all the time, and gloves, and a pair of quick vice grips. Perfect. I like it a lot. Okay, this looks good. Next. I guess I have to sort this out. Okay, so the camera died obviously, but the things are looking better already. So the next thing that needs addressing is this Coca-Cola fridge. I have not actually plugged it in. I don't know if the lights light up when you plug it in. I think I'm gonna try to do this now and see if it actually lights up. But I don't know where is the cord. Is it like from the back? Luckily, it's like on some sort of wheels and it's quite easy to move. Oh yeah, here we go. Obviously I don't want to use the fridge, I just want the lights. I need to see first if there is any chance I can switch off the freezer thing. It goes into this kind of a box where it splits up, and a couple cables goes into the freezer, and I see these two cables going up, and they are probably going to the lights. As far as I can see, there are two light bulbs, just the regular, that are shining into the Coca-Cola sign, and probably this one is going to those lights that are on the side. I don't know. Let's try to plug it in and see if it's going to light up. I hope it's not going to blow up. Makes a sound. We have one light and we don't have any other lights. Is it cold inside yet? Not really. Look what I found. If you lift these up, boom, there's a light bulb. Such a flimsy piece of crap that you don't even know. Just been to the shop. Fun thing, I couldn't find any of the OG fluorescent light bulbs. All of the light bulbs in the shop were LEDs. I guess I will have to change something to make the old fixture work with the LEDs. Basically, I will just have to remove the capacitor and put some 220 volts straight into the light bulb. And also got some little bulbs for the top. These in total will give me 44 watts, and all four of the old light bulbs were 152 watts. So this is definitely more energy efficient. I will probably pay like a cent or maybe less in an hour. I don't know where the capacitor is at. They are probably inside of this box, I'm guessing. I'll have to take this apart and see how it's all connected. I lost my little T15 wrench, so I had to use this little bit with Knipex Cobras and undo a screw like this. That was a bit of a challenge. I'm glad you haven't seen it. It was miserable. Snip, snap. To join all of the cables, I'm gonna use my favorite connectors ever. These are the Vagos. 1, 2, then we take this one, boom. And the last one, zip inside, brown and blue. Just like that. Few seconds and we're all connected. Good stuff. Fits like a butter. I really don't want to blow up anything today. Hopefully it's gonna light up right away. Oh, nice. Perfect. Look at this. I think it looks fantastic. So I put inside all of my tapes. I have baking soda there. I have all of my like wood treatments. I have some like glues, foam cleaner, like mineral spirits, acids, and like paints, acetone, 646. Basically liquids and tapes, I would call it, and glues. I think it's perfect place for it. It's definitely like, it's kind of deep and not wide enough, so some things will be in front of other things, which is not perfect, but I can live with that, that's fine. Still a lot of space to fill up, and all of this stuff used to be above my stove, right there on this shelf there, which I think is kind of crazy, don't you think? And so, just like that, I think this has gotta be it for today. A lot of good things been done. Maybe not too many, but I'm happy with today's result. Finally, I don't keep any flammables over the wood stove. Finally, I have some space for my welding accessories. I have still like a million things that I want to do in my mind, but you know, thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope the next video is not gonna take another month. Of course it's not, I'm just joking. Shoot something in the comments, let's chat, and I'll see you next time. As always, thank you. Bye.